I used to really like coming to Tannadice. Back then, maybe 3-4 seasons ago, or however long ago it was, whenever they scored a goal, they played a song by Boone, Beautiful Sunday. Horrible day in Glasgow, heading for Dundee United against Thuras, big game on BBC Alpha. Weather's grim, but hopefully it's better up north. Hey, chicken pie. Right Dundee, let's be having you. Dropping off the box and stuff like that, so I think you've got the DVD.
Oh, can we give you the DVD copy?
I know. Okay, so Tannadice Stadium's home of Dundee United. Weather seems a bit better in Dundee. Hopefully it stays dry for the game. Really looking forward to this match. Dundee United against Thuras. Both teams need to win, so hopefully it's set up for a cracker. I'm feeling really good just now. Full of energy, feeling the love for this. Can't wait for the game. Went on a morning run today. I think that's probably why I'm feeling so good. Here's a wee swatch. Howdy! I'm out in a morning run, but I'm very aware of these running segments getting boring. So to mix it up a wee bit, here's what I got up to yesterday.
I did 27 press-ups, so only 73 to go before I hit 100.
I did my prep for the big match on BBC Alpha.
Got some messages, fruit and veg. Nice.
I edited yesterday's vlog.
Had some dinner.
I uploaded my vlog.
Right, back to the run.
Just back. Really good run. Making progress. 34 minutes and 23 seconds. Happy with that.
Right, it's time to get in the zone and I'll show you some stuff inside. So this is Tannadice, home of Dundee United. It's a ground I don't mind coming to. There's usually quite a good atmosphere here. BBC Alpha used to cover a lot of games here, maybe 3-4 seasons ago. We used to do delayed as live coverage of the Scottish top flight football. So it was quite a good crack coming here. You know, you'd be filming the matches at 3, then they'd go out as live at 5:30. So I don't have too much time to show you around the ground just now. Got to get ready for my pre-match interviews, then we're doing rehearsals. So when I get some free time, I'll show you some stuff. Time is just literally ran away on us today. We'll show you this though. That's my position. That's where I'll be watching the match today. So, as usual, I've got a monitor there and a reasonably good view of the match. Right, need to get in the zone now. Okay, this is the interview room. Rab waiting to get interviewed. Dom's doing interviewing. Okay, so that's the pre-match interviews done now, so I need to go outside to get into position for a couple of rehearsals, and then before you know it, it's going to be showtime. We're live on air, live on BBC Alpha. Can't wait, love it. This is the tunnel as well. So this is where the players run out from. Supporters going mental. There's Steph, there's Owen. To my left there is hospitality boxes. Anybody doing the bickies? So I think this is a home dugout, or it certainly was the last time we were here for BBC Alpha. And over there is the away dugout. So I think this is Steph's position. This is where Steph will be for the match. So she'll be relaying information to the referee. He'll be relaying information to her, usually subs, you know, why people are injured and all kind of stuff. So she's slap bang in the middle, and she's constantly on the cans to Mikey, the producer, just talking about stuff, just constantly relaying information. So it's one of the key aspects of what we do at these games is communication. It's got to be crystal clear at all times. So, there's our camera 3. That's our camera 3, our 1 and our 2. No, our 1 and our 2 are there. And Alec will be up there in comms. I'll try and get a wee look at the commentary position later on, just to show you the kind of view. It's a good view because you're up so high and you're almost on top of the action. Now the director's talking to me, so they want me to get into position, so I'll chat to you later. 2 minutes till we're live on air, getting close. Right, we're live on air just now, and I'm not going to show you any of the match because I don't have rights and I'll probably end up getting a copyright strike on YouTube. So there's Dom, and here's Boone. It's quite cold, don't have thermals, don't have a hat, don't have gloves, don't have a scarf, but pretty hard, should be okay. Right, so 1-0 to Dundee United. Goal came about 45 minutes. It's not been the best of games. I'm hoping for a cracker. So I've got a link to do up at the high behind at half time. So I'll probably chat to you in a wee while. Right, back in the interview room. It's so cold outside, I think my feet have actually gone numb. So just getting a full time whistle and then post-match interviews. So in here is where the press folks sit, all along these benches, up there as well, and they've all got like wee ISDN connections for internet and stuff. I used to really like coming to Tannadice. Back then, maybe 3-4 seasons ago, or however long ago it was, whenever they scored a goal, they'd play the song by Daniel Boone, Beautiful Sunday, and the place would be rocking whenever there's a home goal scored. I love that song so much because it reminds me of a guy called Tom Sloss from the homeland, from the islands where I'm from. He would play a cover of that song, and it just brings back happy memories of being young and going out to the pubs. And I just listen to Tom Sloss and Calum playing. It's great. Calum still on the scene. He's a phenomenally talented musician, really good entertainer. But yeah, Tom Sloss, it's funny, like my generation, we always mention Tom Sloss. He always comes up in conversation when we're talking about nights out and stuff, because he was that good, you know. I think he's been dead a good while now, so that just shows you how good he was if people are still talking about it like years after his death. Right, I'll go up to the gantry now and show you like where the cameras and Alec, the commentator, will be today. Okay, better late than ever. This is the Dundee United gantry. So here is Alec O'Henley's commentary position and a leftover sausage roll. I won't be eating that because I'm on a health kick just now. Our cameras will have been here, so that will be the 1, that will be the 2. Club media, stuff like that's over there. Really good view. I'm just going to wrap up the vlog just now because my feet are so cold. I didn't bring thermals, should have brought them. Didn't bring a hat, scarf, gloves. Very, very unorganised leaving the house today. So if you're not organised, you suffer, and I suffer today because of my lack of organisation. So I'm going to give you some Gaelic before I go. How's the light? Hoo-rus. Hoo-rus. That means until the next time. So hoo-rus. Cheers just now.